I'm Hadassah with Plytix, and I'm here to share what's new this month. In this month's updates, you'll find a better view of your completeness attributes in the product detail, an improved formula editor, a progress bar for Shopify syncs, the option to erase existing Shopify fields in your store, and a quick way to add static values to your XML attributes. Let's dive in. First up, view your completeness at all times when editing your products in the detail page. You can now see the completeness side menu across all tabs in the product detail page, so you can make the right edits while keeping an eye on what's missing. For example, if you notice a category is missing in your completeness tracking, you can fill it in your product in the right tab without losing sight of what's incomplete. Just one thing to keep in mind. If you've applied a filter in the Attributes tab that doesn't include any of your completeness attributes, they'll be hidden even when you switch tabs. So just make sure that the completeness is in your view when you need it. Next, write formulas faster with the new editor. Formulas just got a lot easier to build and read. Now, different elements of your formula are color-coded, so you can quickly spot and edit them on the go without squinting through long operations. And when you reference an attribute, you'll see what type it is, like short text or integer, right in the element. No more second guessing. There's more. Meet your new AI formula assistant. You can now get help writing or fixing formulas using natural language. Just describe what you want to do, like calculate the total price with a 10% discount, and our AI assistant will generate a formula for you. Not sure why a formula isn't working? Paste it in, and the assistant will help troubleshoot it and even suggest a fix, so you don't need to flag missing parentheses or logic errors on your own. It's like having a formula expert by your side. You focus on the results you want, and we'll take care of the rest. The AI Formula Assistant is currently in beta, so if you'd like to try it out, reach out to your account manager to get access. Moving on, keep track of your Shopify syncs with the new progress bar. Whenever you process your Shopify channel, you'll now see a progress bar in the Process Log tab, so you can stay in the loop on how far it is. So instead of wondering whether your sync is still running, you get a live update of exactly how far along it is. Speaking of Shopify, you can now map empty values to erase content from certain Shopify fields. For example, let's say you no longer want to show vendor information for a group of products. Just map an empty value to the vendor field and it will be automatically cleared in Shopify. And for your pricing fields, mapping a 0 will override any existing pricing information. This is especially useful if you're resetting outdated fields or unpublishing product details. This way, your Shopify data is always up to date, even when it comes to deleting fields, so you have more control when cleaning up data straight from Plytix with no extra steps needed. Check out our Help Center for a full guide on how to map Shopify fields, including syncing empty values. Finally, customize your XML exports by adding static values to your attributes. Forget about creating extra product attributes for standard values in your XML code. You can now add static text directly into your XML channel, so you can quickly set the same value across all products in your channel without messing with your product catalog. That means you can include things like a grams unit after your weight attribute, or specific ID tags to your attribute labels. Just head to the Format tab of your channel, click Edit Node in one of your attributes, and add a static value. This gives you more control over your XML export to tailor it to the platform you're sending it to without affecting the rest of your data in Plytix. It's the kind of update that makes your exports more customizable while still keeping them quick and easy. That's it for this month. Don't forget to check out our release notes to explore any of these updates in more detail, or reach out to your account manager with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next month.